You can't. It's only on the server. Yeah, you can't do server-to-server transfers. Yeah, I know, dude. I have so many, and I should have grabbed. I have a lot on my horde that I could have put on my warrior before I brought an ally, and I fucking forgot. Yeah, I'm so pissed.
Boy, when I used to coach, those are the plays I love the most. Seeing a back come across key, smack a blitzer, and make a play.
Yeah, I have the shoulders, weapon, and chest on my crew. I play as a horde. Yeah.
First down play action.
So you get, yeah, I'll be on there. Oh shit!
How did he drop that?
We're watching the man again.
Are you trying to take a picture of that?
Dude, did you see my warrior's name? Slow, bro. I'm Night Elf. Slow, bro. Yeah. Night Elf male.
Dante Robinson read it the whole way. He's
What?
really over the top, and New Orleans is very lucky that's not intercepted. That would have been Robinson.
Because once you faction change, you get to choose any race you want. Yeah, I think the Night Elf warrior. Yeah.
That's just the 11th run here for the Saints. We're under 30 yards rushing. And John pointed out earlier as we started the game.
I don't know why he called me. He didn't call me to talk about anything. He just started talking.
Who was it?
It was Brent.
I'm not taking a picture. I'm taking a video.